Life gets hectic, right? The constant rush, the never-ending to-do lists, city living, deadlines, traffic jams, it's a lot. The noise, the stress, it all adds up, but you know what helps? Nature, plants. They bring a sense of calm and tranquility. That little patch of green you can call your own, a sanctuary amidst the chaos. Taking care of plants is taking care of yourself. It's therapeutic. Each moment spent nurturing them is a moment of peace. Watching a seed sprout, nurturing it, seeing it grow, it's magic. It's a reminder of life's simple joys. And that fresh air, the feel of soil on your hands, pure therapy, it grounds you, connects you to the earth, disconnecting from the digital world and reconnecting with the earth. That's the good stuff. It's a digital detox like no other. It's about finding peace in the everyday, in the little moments that often go unnoticed, in the simple act of growth, watching life unfold right before your eyes. It's about taking a deep breath and remembering what's real, the essence of life. And trust me, there's nothing more real than getting your hands dirty and growing something beautiful. It's a journey of patience and reward. Imagine this, a salad made with ingredients you grew yourself. Tomatoes bursting with flavor, crisp lettuce, fragrant herbs, no pesticides, no long trips, just pure, fresh goodness. That's the power of growing your own food. It tastes better, it's healthier, and it connects you to the source of your nourishment. Picking that first ripe tomato, snipping fresh basil for your pasta, it's a different kind of satisfaction. It's about knowing where your food comes from and appreciating the journey. So ditch the supermarket produce aisle and get growing. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Want to teach your kids about healthy eating? Get them involved in gardening. Let them get their hands dirty, plant seeds, and watch them grow. There's no better way to learn about where food comes from than to grow it yourself. It's a fun, hands-on experience that teaches responsibility, patience, and appreciation for nature. Plus, kids who grow their own food are more likely to eat their veggies. Imagine that, picky eaters transformed into little garden enthusiasts. It's about planting seeds of knowledge, of healthy habits, and a lifelong love for the planet. Now that's a lesson worth learning. Section 4. Ditch the processed, embrace the homegrown. Let's be real, processed food, full of preservatives, artificial flavors, and who knows what else. It's like a science experiment gone wrong. It's like the junk food of the food world, offering empty calories and little to no nutritional value. Homegrown food, on the other hand, is like a breath of fresh air. Imagine biting into a tomato that's still warm from the sun. It's packed with nutrients, bursting with flavor, and free from all the junk that weighs you down. Every bite is a taste of nature's best. When you grow your own food, you control what goes into it. You decide the soil, the water, and the care. No pesticides, no harmful chemicals, just pure natural goodness. It's food the way it was meant to be. It's about making a conscious choice for your health, for the planet, and for a tastier future. Plus, it's a great way to connect with nature and your community. So put down the processed stuff and pick up a shovel. Start small, even a few pots on a balcony can make a difference. Section 5. Urban Jungle. Tips for small spaces. Don't have a backyard? No problem. Living in an urban environment doesn't mean you have to give up on your gardening dreams. You can still create your own green oasis, even in the smallest of spaces. Think vertical. Vertical gardens are a fantastic way to maximize your space. Use shelves, hanging planters, and wall-mounted trellises to maximize your growing area. Get creative with containers. The possibilities are endless when you think outside the box. Old buckets, crates, even bathtubs can be transformed into unique and stylish planters. Upcycling not only saves money but also adds a personal touch to your garden. Herbs are your best friend. They are easy to grow and require minimal space. They thrive in containers and bring a burst of flavor to your cooking. Imagine having fresh herbs at your fingertips every time you cook. Rosemary, thyme, basil, grow a little culinary symphony right on your windowsill. These herbs not only look beautiful but also smell amazing. And don't forget about cherry tomatoes and strawberries. These fruits are perfect for small spaces. These compact plants are perfect for small spaces and reward you with delicious homegrown treats. Imagine picking fresh tomatoes and strawberries right from your own garden. It's a rewarding experience that brings joy and satisfaction. Section 6. Grow your food, grow yourself. Growing your own food is about more than just eating healthy. It's about reconnecting with nature, finding peace in the everyday, and fostering a sense of community. It's about taking control of your health, reducing your environmental impact, and creating a more sustainable future. It's about the satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands and reaping the delicious rewards. So join the movement. Transform your home with a green space and watch as you grow your food, you grow yourself. Peace.